let's get cleaning.
She was playing volleyball. I never miss her phone call. She's got me doing somersaults. I swear to God, I think I found my heart full. She likes the way
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be deep cleaning and just getting my life on track. I went to San Antonio for the weekend, and then literally like a couple of days after I got back from San Antonio, I went to Seattle, and I have yet to unpack any of my stuff from Seattle, and I can just feel my room getting like super well, it's awful. It's just getting worse and worse. I need to dust, I need to like clean my mirrors, vacuum, I need to do the whole nine. So basically today we're gonna be deep cleaning and getting my life back on track. I feel like whenever my room's dirty, I feel super unproductive, unmotivated, and when my room's clean and I like plan out my days, I feel like I can get a lot more done and I feel a lot more productive in my day. So we're gonna be basically getting all of my room clean today, deep cleaning the whole thing, and setting myself up for success for this next week. It's currently Friday, so this will set me up for the weekend, and next week we're gonna try to keep our room clean. I have my Celsius. I wanted to drink my Monsters that if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, if you don't, you definitely should. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. But I've been recently drinking the white Monster, and I went to our fridge to try to find one of those, and we didn't have any. The only energy drink that we had left was the Celsius one, so the Celsius will have to do for today. But yeah, I have my Celsius, I have my water. It's definitely super hot here. I have my little cleaning outfit on. This top is from Halara. You'll probably see it throughout the video, so I don't really care to show y'all what it looks like right now. And then I just have these green shorts on that are from Forever 21. So that's my little cleaning outfit. We're about to get started, so if you've been needing to clean, put this on your TV, put this on your laptop, whatever. Let's clean together. Let's get our rooms back on track. It's gonna feel so great, and we got this, so let's go. Hello. Hey y'all, I'm on the voiceover. This is me editing, but I've not done a voiceover in such a long time, and this video is literally going to be basically all sped up, just montage, very vibe, chilled out. Like the goal is for you to play this like while you're actually cleaning your room yourself, and just to kind of feel like you're cleaning with me. So I just sped through a lot of this video, and I'm going to pop in here and there and just kind of be explaining what I'm doing. So I had just got back from Seattle when I filmed this video, and I still had yet to unpack all of my stuff from Seattle plus my trip to San Antonio, which if you guys have not seen those videos, I will have them linked in my description box down below. But I basically just had to go through my suitcase and get all of the clean and dirty clothes, the ones I did wear and the ones that I didn't, put those in the dirty clothes box, and then I went ahead and headed over to my closet and cleaned up like all of the shoes that I had out. I had so many that I just had brought with me to travel, and then also just ones that I had laying around my room. So I went ahead and like organized the bottom of my closet, and that's what you can see me doing here. Okay, so I just thought I'd share this because this is like something real that just happened with me right now. I don't know, I just thought I'd share. But as I was putting away my clothes, I mean not my clothes, my shoes, as I was putting away my shoes, I start to feel like super lightheaded. It just started feeling like super hot, so I turned on my air, and I'm about to turn this one on whenever I start filming again, like cleaning, so that way it's like a little bit cooler in here. I was just cleaning and I just started to feel super hot, and I could start to feel myself need to throw up. I ran to the bathroom, and at first like I just kind of threw up, but nothing came out. Like it was just like me dry heaving, and then eventually after like a little bit of doing that, I finally like was able to throw up some stuff, but I still feel a little lightheaded. So this is just your reminder to make sure you're eating your food, make sure you're staying hydrated and drinking water, because it can so easily happen to where you get so hot from doing like any minor little thing, or if you're not fueling your body properly, you're not hydrating yourself properly, especially with like in Texas, as hot as our summers do get. It's so easy to have that happen, and you could have a heat stroke. You could literally pass out from being so hot, start to see stars, like all of that. So I just want to remind you to make sure you're drinking your water, make sure you're fueling your body, all of the above. And yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that that's literally what just happened to me. So I'm drinking my water now. I was drinking this all last night, so it's not that I'm like dehydrated. I think it's more so that I just haven't ate today, and I started drinking an energy drink on top of that, which is so unhealthy. So I'm gonna just not drink the Celsius anymore. I'm just gonna stick with my water, and as soon as I get done cleaning, first thing on my to-do list is going to be to eat some dino nuggets. This drawer on my desk has literally been the death of me. It's so messy and so cluttered, so I took this time to finally like organize it and clear it out. The way I just have like everything in this drawer, and I use this drawer the most because it's like is my work desk, obviously, you know, so I have so much stuff in it, but I really needed to do this task, so I just decided to, what's the word, take this head on today. I don't really know, but I decided to organize it today. After I was done organizing my desk, I just took all of my dirty clothes and I headed over to the bathroom and just put all my dirty clothes in the dirty clothes hamper. And then whenever I got back to my room, I just basically put away all my clean clothes. Usually I will let like my clothes rack up, and I just did this yesterday. I put away like all my clean clothes that I had been sitting in my room for the past couple of days, but I really needed to do this task because the clothes had just been building up for so long. And I think this is the thing that I dread the most when it comes to cleaning my room, is putting away my clean clothes. For some reason, like I would just leave them out and pile them across like my desk. I mean, not my desk, my dresser, like I have them in this video. I will have them piled there for days, and like if I need to watch TV or something, I'll move them to my bed, move them back, and that's just not great. Like once you get your clean clothes, if you just go ahead and put them up as soon as you get them clean, it just makes life so much easier. So I went ahead and put everything away that had been building up. After I was done putting away all my laundry, I had a few more things to unpack. I basically had to unpack my carry-on, the bag that I took to San Antonio, my purse, a few toiletries and things like that, all of my makeup, etc, etc. So this is kind of like an overview of everything that I ended up having to put away. So once I was done with my laundry, I just started on this task. I just had everything laid out on my bed, and I just went piece by piece and put everything where it went. Once I had all my clothes put away, all of my makeup and everything that I had packed, unpacked basically, I decided to go ahead and just deep clean everything. My counters needed to be wiped off, so I used some all-purpose cleaner to just go ahead and do that. And I also cleaned all my mirrors because my mirrors could get pretty dirty really quickly, so that was something that I really needed to do as well. And then I just put everything back after I had cleaned everything off. I went ahead and did this to the rest of my room as well. So I cleaned off my dresser, I cleaned off my little Alex 9 drawers, dusted everything, as well as my big mirror, which you'll see here in a second. But I just basically went through and wiped down and cleaned absolutely everything. After I was done cleaning everything off, I did the last few little like miscellaneous touches in cleaning my room. So I had to make my bed, and then I also needed to vacuum, which, oh my god, I feel like I need a vacuum like every GD day. Like I swear
my hair sheds so much, so my floor is just like covered in my hair. Like it's ridiculous. So I always am vacuuming, but I had to do that. And then here I am cleaning my big mirror that I was talking about. I thought I had it in like the last clip, but I didn't. So here I am just cleaning this one off. This one collects so much of my cat's hair, so this like just needed to be dusted and cleaned off like really bad. And then I went ahead and like put everything back where it went and did a few little extra miscellaneous things, like spraying some Febreze and like spraying this Bath and Body Works spray. This one's rose water and ivy, and this one smells top tier. If you've never like smelled this smell, it's amazing. I had it in like a hand sanitizer and I just got addicted to it, so I had to buy the room spray because it's like one of my favorites. And then after that I just lit a candle and made everything kind of aesthetic for myself. And then here is the finished room.
I just got done cleaning my entire room. I cleaned off everything. I put away all my clothes, cleaned off all my counters, wiped down all my mirrors, vacuum. I literally did the entire 9, and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I definitely feel a lot better now that my room is clean again. However, my day's not over yet. I'm like almost just getting started with my day after finishing this. Currently 5:20 in the afternoon, and because I woke up so late in the day, I wasn't able to get my day started as early, so I just wiped out cleaning my room. And now I'm gonna get on with the rest of the stuff I have to do today. But hopefully this video gave you a little bit of motivation to clean your room. I know sometimes life can get in the way and we're like, oh my god, I don't have time to clean my room. I have so many X, Y, and Z things to do that you end up just like pushing off those tasks. And I promise you it's a task that you do not want to continue to push off. It just helps you so much to be productive, or I know it personally does for me. And now I just feel so much better. I feel like I can actually relax. I feel like I can actually like want to work in my room, do things in my room. I want to be in my room. Like when my room was just messy before, I was going in the living room more often to edit and to get my work done because I just was so overwhelmed being in my room. I just felt like there was just too much going on. It was just making my stress a little bit worse almost. So now that I have a clean room, my stress will decrease and I'll be able to get more work done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment some video ideas in the comments down below of content that you guys want me to make. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Sometimes YouTube unsubscribe people. I don't know why, but I'm on the road to 400K, so make sure you are subscribed. And if you are not already, then definitely hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have a friend that needs to clean her room, send this to her as a sign that she needs to clean her room. But yeah, with all that being said, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!